It will be a pleasure to get crafty with our honey bunny candy, and we promise you that you will not be able to get enough of this gorgeous, gorgeous playful yarn. Honey bunny candy is a super bulky velour yarn made out of 85% polyester and 15% polyamide. The chenille silky and smooth texture has now gotten a sprinkle of rainbow neon flecks running around the main polyester thread. It can be both knitted using a 6mm, that's a US size 10, knitting needles, or crochet with a 7mm, that's a US size K 10.5 hook, and it will be ideal for tight and easy types of stitches. The color palette is varied with both subdued and bright colors for you to choose from. All the shades available can be matched with our beautiful honey bunny products, so that this variant will also work super great as a vibrant detail in your project. Honey bunny candy can be turned into a lovely garment like sweaters, cardigans, beanies, bucket hats, scarves, just to name a few, as well as of course home decor projects such as cuddly pillow covers, blankets, and comfy poufs. One skein of honey bunny candy weighs 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, and the yarn length is 120 meters or 131 yards. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you dream of making with this gorgeous yarn, and we will see you guys in the next Behind the Yarn episode.